About this thing.
Sure. We have 7 rockets to put in somewhere real deep. Someone's going in, coach.
Oh, coach.
Bambino. Ooh, that's a pretty BBC base. Yeah, I know Extreme. It's annoying. Attacked me last week with that 7k drop. And then now again, I guess. You see one, two. They spotted us, dude. There is more than that.
Hit that kid for sure.
One
Watch
down.
this guy up close.
What?
On the rock. I'm down. What the fuck?
Are you dead then?
Yeah, damn, dead. Bolt rifle. I didn't even hear it. Okay.
I down 2.
Only accept it when you can.
I'm good.
Okay.
Can you loot your corpse at a time?
Yeah, I can.
Oh shit. Fuck. I'm gonna retreat from this position. Reloading my gun. One guy is pushing. One more down.
Is that a shotgun?
I don't know what the fuck they're using.
One's pushing
One's
us.
pushing. He's dead. There's more. Don't die, buddy. I need to heal up.
Oh, yeah, it's behind this rock. Two there. Lit one with a roll.
Talk.
Yeah, I'm lit a little bit. They're still on that rock.
Fucking volcano. Okay, you got a bed now. They have more meds on you?
No, I have 3 total.
Dropped another one. Where's
I'm
the
just gonna
last
sit
guy?
back here. He's down.
I'm pushing these corpses. No meds here. There we go.
Oh, behind me.
Fuck, I'm coming, dude. Don't die.
On my left, too. I'm down by the rock.
Oh fuck, that was you?
Yeah, that was me. No, the guy's pushing my body.
That was... No, that was me pushing your buddy. You have a bed though, use it.
Okay.
Lowest bed.
He's in the bush, straight ahead. From that rock.
That bush?
Yep.
It's time to show him the fucking kiss of bang boom. Actually, might be. Is he still in there? I'm gonna face check it. There's no one here.
He could be down because I hit him pretty hard.
Oh, I see someone. Looks like a fucking Bambi, though. Reloading my AKs.
So like one's pushing over here, left. Comes to the bush, Bambi. Guy had 2 C4 on him.
Nice.
Man, you need some ammo?
Oh, I'm good.
So you coming to buy me?
Actually, no.
Bambi. Dude, this guy's loaded too. Oh my god. You gotta loot that guy that's far up there and this dude right here on the ground.
Okay. Looting this other guy. This last
That guy's
guy.
loaded as fuck. Yeah. I think we really just need to go bank this shit because we're kind of loaded.
Yeah. Where the fuck do I even put this shit?
I threw out fucking, what are you going for it?
I banged way too hard right there, holy fuck. Bambino went down, I was like, fuck this shit, I'm going coach. Alright, I got the guns and shit, I guess.